On Veneers. Okay, I was unable to smile anymore because after my last kid, he took everything out of me, and there went my teeth. So I finally broke down and decided I'd try some veneers, and this popped up. Amazing reviews. So I decided to give them a shot, and I am so glad I did, because now all I do is pop it in, and I have a missing tooth, and they filled it in. Good to go. And now I can smile again, which feels amazing, because it's been 3 years since I've been able to be confident enough to even talk right, to show my teeth, and it's just amazing, and I'm so happy, so happy. And then they give you these cool little molds of your teeth for a free gift. And they're bad. They're thin, they're breaking, falling out, and there's that missing tooth. And I'm just so happy. And I thank anybody and everybody that feels insecure about their teeth to go and do Pop On. I recommended them to my family, to my husband. He's got his own pair. Get your confidence back. And smile again.